Hey, it's Mr. Turk again. Just a reminder, if you received a download code for installing Adobe on your personal device, you need to check your email. So again, log into Office 365 with your student ID email. So that would be your 5051234 at students.smcjuhsd.org email. Click on Outlook to open up Outlook. When you're in Outlook, okay, at the very top of Outlook is a search bar. Please type Adobe Creative Cloud in that search bar. You should have received at least one email from Adobe Creative Cloud. If you click on that email, it looks like this. It'll say, you have access to all of the Adobe apps. You need to click on Get Started. And again, you're going to set up this account using this email address. So your actual school email address is what you're going to use to set up the account. So if I click Get Started right now, it will take me to a account setup page. Again, I've already set up my account using my school email address, right? I'm a teacher, so I use my teacher email address. You will use your ID number email address at students.smcjuhsd.org. Your password also needs to be kind of like your school password. It needs an uppercase, a lowercase, a punctuation mark, and a number. So make sure you fulfill the password criteria. When you click continue, eventually you're going to be taken to this page right here, which has all the Adobe apps. If you are in photography with me, you need to download Photoshop and install Photoshop. And you need to download and install Lightroom Classic. If you want, it's optional, but you don't have to. You can install Adobe Bridge. If you are in graphic design with me, you need to download and install Illustrator. Graphic design is going to be using Illustrator. And if you're in Yearbook, you can download Photoshop. You can download Lightroom Classic. And for Yearbook, you're also going to download InDesign. InDesign is kind of a magenta sort of color. This is InDesign right here. We're going to be using InDesign to design the book. If you're in your book and you know how to use Illustrator, you're more than welcome to download and use Illustrator. But you do not have to download Illustrator if you're in your book and you have not taken graphic design with me. Okay, you guys need to do this this week. And we're going to get started on using Adobe products pretty soon in class. So please, 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 if you were sent a download code, look for that email in Outlook and download and install the software you need for class.